Good morning, students. Welcome back to your GK class. I hope all of you are fit, fine and healthy at your home. Let's do some general knowledge questions. And the first question for today is, which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Hottest planets? Your options are Mercury, Mars, Venus or Earth. Which one? Which one is the hottest planet of the solar system? Your answer is Venus. Why it is the hottest planet? Our Earth have atmosphere now. There are lots of layers like troposphere, after that stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. So all these layers are found in our atmosphere. Likewise, the Venus also have the atmosphere, which is 100 times thicker than our atmosphere. So, whenever the sun rays are just coming, then the rays are trapped out in that atmosphere. Okay, so heat is generated there, trap out the rays so that the heat generate and makes the planet hottest. Okay, so this is the reason so that the Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system. Okay, so and the next question is, which is the largest lake in the world? Largest lake? Your options are Lake Superior, Lake Victoria, Lake Huron or Caspian Sea. Which one? Which one is the largest lake of the world? Your answer is Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea is the largest lake in the world. Okay. So these questions are from the general knowledge. And let's do our chapter. We are just cover up our, let's summarize. And the first part we already covered up in our previous video. And let's do the rest of the questions in this video. Okay. So this is from page number 35. It's from page number 35 and the section C, which is underline the correct word. And the first question is, the discovery of India was written by whom? Jawaharlal Nehru or Chanakya? What's your answer? Discovery of India? Discovery of India is written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. The second one is, Mirza Ghalib was a renowned Gujarati or Urdu poet. Mirza Ghalib? Gujarati or Urdu? Which one? Urdu poet. Yes. Mirza Ghalib is a Urdu poet. The third one is, a veterinarian or dentist treats animals. Who treats animals? Veterinarian or dentist? Veterinarian, na? Dentist treats our teeth, na? So the answer is veterinarian. The fifth one is, a browser or password as a sequence of characters used to gain access to a computer system. Browser or password? What do you say? Password. Yes, the answer is password is a sequence of characters used to gain access to computer system. The sixth one is, the body of St. Francis Xavier is preserved in a cathedral in Puducherry or Goa. St. Francis Xavier is in Puducherry or Goa. It is in Goa. Okay. The next one is seventh. Sarojini Naidu or Annie Besant is known as the Nightingale of India. All of us know about this Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu. Okay. And the eighth one is Mussoorie or Munnar is a hill station in northern India. Which one? Mussoorie or Munnar? Northern India. So it's a Mussoorie. Mussoorie is the hill station of northern India. In section D, match the following. There is some pictures given and we have to find out what is the name of that one. Okay, the first picture is for Sanchi Stupa. Yes, the first one is Sanchi Stupa. The second one is Eiffel Tower, है ना? The third one is what? Venus flytrap, insectivorous plants. Remember na? Venus flytrap or what? Cobra lily, all them are just example of the insectivorous plants. Remember na? After that, it's a paragliding. It's from our adventurous sports. Remember? So the fourth one is paragliding. After that, there is another section, section E. Write 2 examples of each. There are some clues given. Adventurous sports. The first one is adventurous sports. Write 2 adventurous sports here. I write here river rafting or surfing. Both of them are adventurous sports now. And the second one is athletic events. Shot put or long jump. Okay. So these are the athletic events. The third one is uses of paper. The type of uses. Writing on both sides. Or instead of paper plates, we have to be use metal plates. Okay. And the fourth one is good habits. What's our good habits? Respect teachers. This is a very, very good thing, na? Huh? Respect teachers as well as go for walk. It is a very useful thing for our health. Hai na? So both are the good habits. In this way we are just cover up our less summarize. Just like a test paper. Okay, so it's all about for today, and in our next video we will discuss the next chapter. Have a great day, everyone.